So today, we're going to be looking at the third most searched token, which is what we're going to be dissecting today, this token called RUNE. It's a token that has lost a significant amount of money, and today you're going to learn something truly, truly important. I'm not sure if you're going to appreciate this particular video, and I'm going to explain to you precisely why. You know, the whole concept of DCA, dollar cost averaging, it's actually not a good strategy. And you have an example right here. There are so many people who have adopted this approach. Just one example among many. And here they are today, practically broke, okay? So we're going to analyze it, and I'm going to tell you at the very least where it all goes wrong. So we can see the token RUNE right here. And what I've done is actually create a replay of its performance. Now, I'm just going to make sure that you understand this perfectly and that we're on the same page. The concept itself, might sound appealing or sensible on the surface, but nobody tells you, hey, you should actually buy when the price is going up. Why would you buy something when it's clearly heading downwards? If it was at, say, $7.50 and that was seen as a peak, then you might think, okay, I'll buy again here at $6.70. And then later, I'll buy again at $5.20. But just look at what happened subsequently. You ended up buying more of this token at $3.98. Then you bought more at $3, and then you saw it plummet to $2. You absolutely cannot be buying on the way down, people. These individuals who are telling you to do that, they are simply YouTubers who don't actually understand trading in 3 dimensions. They are people who have genuinely never made any money from actual trading activities. You cannot consistently buy as something is descending. You are inevitably going to lose money. The correct approach, you see, is to buy when the price is ascending. And then, to initiate a buy here, this is what we refer to as the green candle zone. When we're talking about this green zone, it's akin to the ascending portions of a graph, like snakes that are slithering upwards, really climbing higher. Did I find any green entries? No, I didn't trade this one. The chart, frankly, is not attractive at all. It's such a chaotic and discouraging chart. Here, it might look like a decent entry point, but you can see as soon as you reach the upper part of the chart, it's just not a good token to be involved with.
It signals go. When you observe a green traffic light on the road, what does it tell you? It tells you go, okay? When you enter the cloud zone, it means out or caution. So here, it's a go signal. You arrive at a red candle, and it re-enters the trend. Then you understand what's happening within this ascending movement. What is occurring during this upward trend? It's a surge. You understand? It's simple, incredibly simple. If you're interested in acquiring this indicator for yourself, you can click down below the video in the description section and click on the Discord link. Then you can come and get the indicator there, absolutely free. It's complimentary. You don't need to spend a dime looking to buy it, okay? I'm giving it to you. You take it. If you're looking to join me, if you want to join a genuinely elite trading team, we achieved 3rd place globally and 17th place globally in a worldwide trading competition. Out of my team of 20 people, 16 placed in the top. There were Chinese participants, Russian participants, you name it. We finished 16th. There were 1,350 teams participating, like the Olympics of trading. And we reached the finals. Finishing 16th for me is a significant victory. Many people on the team had never traded before, so they gained their first experience in a trading competition. And this competition lasts for a month. It's not 2 years. It's a concentrated experience within our community lasting 1 month, 30 days. There you have it. So if you happen to be using the platform 1inch, it's possible you're already on Binance. In that case, I unfortunately cannot add you to the team. However, if you use another platform like Bitmart or Bityard, you can message me directly here, and I will happily integrate you.